Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ali Hassan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. I hope that student you are well. I am also well. You have learned previous class definition of ellipse and formula. Today I will discuss about some problem. So it's very important question for your exam. So let's go student, look at the board. Student, question number 4, exercise 6b. So find the coordinates of the foci and the length of latest rectum of ellipse 9x square plus 16y square equals to 144. So given 9x square plus 16y square equals to 144. So now dividing both sides by 144, then we can write here 9x square by 144 plus 16y square by 144, and right side will be 1. So student, here 144 by 9 equals to 16 and 144 by 16 equals to 9. Then we get x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equals to 1. Then from the standard equation of ellipse, here we can write 16 equals to 4 square and 9 equals to 3 square, and right side is 1. So 9 equals to 3 square. Now comparing this equation, comparing x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So here x square same, x square same, and a square equals to 4. So value of a equals to 4. And now here y square is same, so b square equals to 3 square, then b equals to 3. Here 4 greater than 3 means a greater than b, so we have a greater than b. Now find the eccentricity. So we know that student, we know that eccentricity E equals to, we know that eccentricity, you have learned student formula eccentricity E equals to root over 1 minus b square by a square, because a greater than b. If a greater than b, so eccentricity E equals to root over 1 minus b square by a square. So memorize it student, eccentricity E equals to root over 1 minus b square by a square. Now putting the value of a and b, so here root over 1 minus, putting the value of b is 3 square and a is 4 square. Now root over 1 minus 9 by 16. Now LCM, here LCM is 16 minus 9, so root over 7 by 16. Now we get root over 7 by 4. We know that foci equals to, coordinate of foci is plus minus AE, 0. Now putting the value of A and E, here A is 4 and putting the value of E is root 7 by 4, root 7 by 4, 0, 4 cancel, so plus minus root over 7 by 0. So student, record foci, coordinate of foci plus minus root over 7, 0. and then find the length of latest rectum. You have learned, student, formula length of latest rectum equals to 2b square by a when a greater than b. So then length of latest rectum, length of latest rectum equals to 2b square by a. Now putting the value of b is 3 square and a is 4. So 2 and 4 cancel. So result will be 9 by 2 unit. So a student, required length of latest rectum is 9 by 2 unit and coordinate of foci is plus minus root 7 by root 7 comma 0. So a student, you have learned eccentricity E equals to root over 1 minus b square by a square when a greater than b, and we know that coordinate of foci is plus minus a comma 0 and length of latest rectum equals to 2b square by a. So result will be plus minus root 7 comma 0 and length of latest rectum 9 by 2. I hope that, student, you are clear. Question number 11. For which value of p the ellipse x square by p plus y square by 5 square equals to 1 passes through the point 6, 4, find the eccentricity and the coordinate of foci. So student, here given x square by p plus y square by 5 square equals to 1, equation number 1. This is equation of ellipse. It passes through the point 6, 4. Now it passes through the point 6, 4. 6, 4 means here value of x equals to 6 and value of y equals to 4. Now putting the value of x equals to 6 and y equals to 4 in equation 1, so we have 6 square by p plus 4 square by 5 square equals to 1. Then find the value of p. So 6 square is 36 by p plus 16 by 25 equals to 1, or 36 by p equals to 1 minus 16 by 25, or 36 by p, then LCM, here LCM is 25. So 25 minus 16, then we get here 36 by p, or 36 by p equals to 9 by 25. So student, here cross multiplication, then we can write 9p equals to 36 into 25. Now take it to the right side of 9, then we get 36 into 25 by 9. Here 9 and 36 cancel, then we have 4. So value of p equals to 4 into 25 equals to 100. So required value of p equals to 100. Putting the value of p in equation 1. So from equation 1 we have x square by, putting the value of p is 100 and y square by 5 square equals to 1. Then we can write x square by 10 square plus y square by 5 square equals to 1. Now comparing with x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. It is standard equation of ellipse. Now here x square same, so a square equals to 10 square, then a equals to 10, and here y square same, so b square equals to 5 square, then b equals to 5. Here 10 greater than 5, so here a greater than b. Now if a greater than b, so you have learned, student, eccentricity E equals to root over 1 minus b square by a square. So we know that eccentricity E equals to root over 1 minus b square by a square. So root over 1 minus, putting the value of b is 5 square by, and a is 10 square. A is 10, so 10 square, b is 5 square. Now we get 1 minus 25 by 100, and here 25 and 100 is cancelled, then equals to 4. Now 1 minus 1 by 4, then LCM, here LCM is 4. So 4 minus 1, so we have root over 3 by 4. So value of E equals to root 3 by 2. So required eccentricity E equals to root over 3 by root 3 by 2. So student, then find the coordinate of foci. We know that coordinate of foci is plus minus AE, 0. You have learned, student, the coordinate of foci is plus minus AE, 0. So putting the value of A is 10 and E is root 3 by 2. Eccentricity is root 3 by 2, 0. Here 2 and 10 cancel is 5. So record coordinate of foci is 5 root 3, 0. So student, here record eccentricity equals to root 3 by 2 and coordinate of foci is plus minus 5 root 3, 0. I hope that, student, you are clear. Student, question number 16. Find the eccentricity, foci, length and equation of the lattice rectum, equation of directrix of the ellipse, x square by 25 plus y square by 36 equals to 1. So student, given equation of ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 36 equals to 1, or we can write x square by 5 square plus y square by 6 square equals to 1. Now comparing with standard equation of ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Now here x square are same, so a square equals to 5 square, value of a is 5, and y square are same, so b square equals to 6 square, b equals to 6, So student, here 6 greater than 5, so here b greater than a. Now student, here b greater than a, so find the eccentricity. If b greater than a, so you have learned, student, eccentricity E equals to root over 1 minus a square by b square. So if b greater than a, so we have eccentricity E equals to root over 1 minus a square by b square. Attention please, student, here b greater than a, so we know that E equals to root over 1 minus A square by B square. Now putting the value of A and B, here A is 5 and B is 6. So root over 1 minus 25 by 36. So LCM, here LCM is 36. 36 minus 25. So root over 11 by 36. So required eccentricity E equals to root 11 by 6. So student, we have required value of eccentricity E equals to root over 11 by 6. Now find the coordinate of foci. We know that coordinate of foci equals to, here b greater than a, so 0 comma plus minus b. The coordinate of foci 0 comma plus minus b because b greater than a. Now putting the value of b and a. So 0 plus minus b is 6 and e is root over 11 by 6. So 6 and 6 are cancelled. So required coordinate of foci is 0 comma plus minus root over 11. So student, I hope that you were clear. Then find the length of lattice rectum. So length of lattice rectum, we know that length of lattice rectum equals to 2a square by b because b greater than a. So we know that length of lattice rectum 2a square by b. Now putting the value of a is here, a is 5 square by b is 6. So result will be 25 into 2 and here 2 and 6 are cancelled. So 3. Now we have length of lattice rectum 25 by 3 unit. So student, here length of lattice rectum 25 by 3 unit. Then find the equation of length of lattice rectum. So we know that equation of lattice rectum. We know that equation of lattice rectum equals to, lattice rectum is xy equals to plus minus be. We know that student, here b greater than a, so equation of lattice rectum y equals to plus minus be. Now putting the value of b is 6 and e is root over 11 by 6. Putting the value of b is 6, e is root over 11 by 6. So 6 and 6 cancel. Then we get y equals to plus minus root over 11. Then we can write y, take it to the left side. So plus minus root over 11, right side will be 0. This is equation of lattice rectum. So required equation of lattice rectum y equals to plus minus root over 11 equals to 0. So student, here memorize it. If b greater than a, so equation of lattice rectum y equals to plus minus be. Now student, find the equation of directrix. So equation of, we know that equation of directrix is y equals to plus minus b by e. Student, here we know that b greater than a, so equation of directrix y equals to plus minus b by e. Now putting the value of b is 6 and e is root over 11 by 6, or y equals to plus minus 6 into 6 by root over 11. Then we get y equals to plus minus 36 by root over 11. Now cross multiplication, then we get here cross multiplication root over, then we get root over 11y equals to plus minus 36. Now student, take it to the left side all expression. So we have root over 11y plus minus 36 and right side will be 0. So student, record equation of directrix root over 11y plus minus 36. I hope that student you are clear. It's very important question for your examination. So see you again next class. Allah Hafiz.